What's up, everybody? For those that don't know, I'm Karen Michelle, and today I'm back with another video just to show you all easy ways to do eyeshadow. An easy 1, 2, 3 step rule. 3 colors to learn how to use any palette, any colors to do your eyeshadow. It can be hard, it can be easy. For beginners, I feel like you should just start with very neutral colors, but you can go colorful too. Colorful is easy too. This is going to be an easy step process on how to do eyeshadow. You can use it with any palette. Yeah. Okay, so once I finish my eyebrows, I put concealer on my eyelids, and then after I blend that out, I put some translucent powder on it just to set the concealer that I put on my eyelids. So once that's done, now we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. So I wanna start off with the Juvia's Place palette. Hope y'all can see this. I think you all can see that. Yeah. So I'm starting off with this palette. And the first step to my 3-step process is use a dark color first. You don't always have to do this. Once you get more skilled with learning how to do eyeshadow, you can go a different way. But starting off with my 3-step process, use the dark color first. So this is the colors of the palette. And I've never used this palette, so I'm just going off of how I feel at this point. And the first color I'm going to use is this color. And the reason why is because all of these colors are like sparkly colors. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with the dark solid color first. So let's do that now. I use this palette for a mirror. And I'm gonna just put that color all in my crease. Like so. So it's on my crease. And I know it look crazy right now, y'all. Makeup always starts off crazy. Okay, and that's how that color looks. So that was step 1, put in the dark color in the crease. So step 2, put the lighter color on top of the dark color and blend it. So with this palette, obviously the lighter color would be that. So, and honestly, using this color and that color, or this color and that color would have been fine, but I'll just use this. And I'm going in with the lighter color right here. Trying to find the right brush. And I bring it up all the way to my brow. Some people leave like a little line between their brow and their eyeshadow, which I've done before, but it's not mandatory. Just blend it out all the way to your brow. Now look at that. Simple. Darker color first in the crease, lighter color on top, and blend it out. So I'm gonna go back in with my darker color, and just to make sure that I didn't get rid of, you don't want the lighter color to take over the dark color. So now I'm going back in with the darker color, and I'm just going to put it back in my crease. like so. And I'm gonna take a lighter color again. I mean, you can keep going as much as you want to and get to your liking. And now we're on step 3. So step 3 is cutting the crease. So technically it's 4 steps, because after you cut the crease, you know, cutting the crease is like a 3rd step. So it's gonna be 4 steps, but anyways, cutting the crease is the 3rd step. And I'm going in with my P's Louise eyeshadow base. And if you don't have eyeshadow base, you can use concealer, but eyeshadow base brings out the color more. So I have 2 P's Louise bases. One is Rumor 0, one is Rumor 2. 0202. I use 0 when whatever color I'm using is very light and I want it to pop. So like if I'm using the yellow, I'm gonna cut my crease with this color, then use the yellow. If I'm using a very light pink, but if I'm using like a dark blue or a black on my lid, this is fine. And really this is like a color of a concealer, and that's what I mean. Like unless you're using a very bright color, you can cut your crease with concealer or just anything close to your skin tone, won't matter. But if you're using a bright color, use light. So I'm gonna cut my crease. So first, I don't know what the last color is going to be, so I think I'm gonna make this last color the peach color. So since that's a light color, I'm going to use my P. Louise Rumor 0. Again, it's no big deal if you only got concealer, use concealer. I just feel like it makes the lighter colors pop more when you use a white base on your lid. Now I'm gonna cut my crease. I use a brush like this. I hope y'all can see that. Yeah, like this. Flat and round at the same time. So I'm just gonna put some on my hand. I tap it on both sides. Don't know why, just tap it on both sides. And when you apply your crease, start at the bottom of your lid. So we're gonna start at the bottom, okay? And then you're just gonna look up, because the base is going to transfer to where you need to cut your crease. And again, this is for beginners. You know, if you don't need to do it, don't. I find it helpful and I still do it. So again, just apply some at the bottom. Make sure it's enough to just transfer, and then look up. So you see where my transition is, where I'm gonna cut my crease now. So now that I'm done cutting my crease, I'm still gonna blend it a little more just so it's not so wet when I put the eyelid color on. So this is the finishing look after I applied the base, because I still have to apply my 3rd color. But yeah, so we've already been through step 1, using the darker color in the crease. Step 2, using the lighter color on top of the darker color and blending it out. And step 3 is applying the base to cut your crease and then applying the main color. So now we're about to apply the main color. And as you see, I take my time. Don't rush when you're cutting your crease, because you want to make sure it looks good. And another thing is, you don't want the crease to look higher on one side and on the other eye it looks smaller. So make sure you just take your time and paying attention to each of your creases when you're cutting them. So yeah, let's finish step 3. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my lid. Whoa. This color is pigmented. I love it. Okay, so we're done with this eye now. So that was simple, easy, nothing to think about. Grabbed a palette, found my dark color, found my lighter color, and found my eyelid color. It's literally just that simple. It's not that hard. A lot of times we're just overthinking. So now I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna do the same thing. So let's find a color. I think I'm gonna use this color. So that's gonna be my dark, my light, and that's gonna be my main base. And as you all see, they kind of got it like, they kind of match. You probably really can't see it, but they kind of match, because this dark color is not like this color. So this one kind of match. So I'm just gonna use this as my dark, this one as my light, and then that as my eyelid color. Yes, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I guess we shall see. All right, that's step one. Now we're gonna go in with our lighter color, which, just in case y'all forgot, I just used this one, and I'm going in with this one. I like it, it's like a little honey mustard color. Okay, so that's the lighter color. It's looking a little crazy right now, y'all, but we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right. So now we're gonna cut the crease and use our last color. Apply it to the bottom. Look up. All right. Now time to cut it. All right, so now that my crease is cut, it's time for the last color, and the last color is gonna be this one. All right, and those are my two colors. So we got this side, and then we got this side. So now I'm just gonna go add some eyeliner and put on my lashes so we can see the finishing look. And I'm gonna use black and white eyeliner for this side. I think it's gonna make this dark color pop. So yeah, I'll be back, guys. All right, y'all, so this is the finishing looks. Again, this is just my step-by-step process. I feel like it's easy for beginners because it was easy for me starting off, and it's still easy for me now. I still use this technique now. So I do feel like this is just very easy. After a while, once you start learning how to use colors better and things like that, you'll be doing your own thing. But yeah, for right now, this is just a good beginners. So I'm gonna let you take a look at my left side, your right. And now I'm gonna let you take a look at my right side, your left. And yeah, this is the finishing look. I used white and black eyeliner on this side, and I just used black on this side. So I feel like the white would make this one pop. So yeah, tell me which look you like better. Let me know if this was easy for you. I hope it was. But yeah, until next time, see you later.